If you're looking for a Coursera discount link, this step-by-step tutorial will show you exactly how to access the latest Coursera Plus offer. I also have a link in the description that gives access to the current Coursera Plus discount, and the savings are usually applied automatically when you sign up. The first step is to open the link in the description below. This will take you directly to the Coursera Plus page with the latest promotion. Next, sign into your existing Coursera account, or create a new account if you don't already have one. After that, choose the Coursera Plus plan that fits your needs. Personally, I think the annual plan provides the best value because it offers the biggest savings over time. Right now, new subscribers can get the Coursera Plus annual plan for $239 instead of the regular $399. That's less than $20 per month for unlimited learning throughout the year. Once you continue to checkout, the discount is typically applied automatically. In most cases, you won't need to enter a coupon code manually. With Coursera Plus, you'll get access to more than 10,000 courses, guided projects, specializations, and professional certificates from top companies and universities, including Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, Duke University, and the University of Michigan. Whether you're learning AI, Python, business, cybersecurity, data science, or marketing, the subscription can save you money if you plan to take multiple courses. Just remember that promotional pricing is only available for a limited time, so the current discount may not last forever. If you want to follow this Coursera discount link step-by-step tutorial and lock in the latest price, check out the link in the description below. It will take you directly to the current Coursera Plus offer.